So this is my website. How to generating traffic my website using with the LinkedIn. So here I'm going to LinkedIn profile. The option call is work. The option call is advertise. Go to work. The option call is advertise. If you're promoting any web company, any website is dependent by your company page. Your LinkedIn profile without company page, we can't create your website traffic. So yeah, what that is the company page. This is all here. Now just what that create a ad is complete dependent by your company page. See here. What that add your account. What that search by name or enter the URL. So just you go to your profile. Just go to your setting one. See what is my company is Rakesh Solutions. Copy the URL, place it, done, and place along with the URL. So what is that? I'm writing for RTS company. My currency will be always India. First I'm going to where? LinkedIn, works, advertise, create an ad. The option call is add account. Suppose link will be no company page. What call? The company page is not there. The ad will be not created. So yeah, there's a company page, account name, and I'm setting for my currency. Click for add account. Please write down type of ads on LinkedIn. Sponsor content, text ad, and in-mail ads. Sponsored content, text ad, and a sponsored in-mail. So I can promote my website. The option call is text ad. Select. Here they're showing for two options. One is called company profile and website. See this. Or that my text ad campaign. RTS company ads. Please write down campaign name. After that, select your campaign language. That is called targeted audience. Click for next. Now here. What is that? My company page. Second will be called website. Right now I can promote what is called my website. Now go to your website. Copy the website URL. Now paste it. Please write down. Title will be 25 characters. Description will be 75 characters. Oh yeah. Then my website, title and description. Done. Now what is that? Add my image. Using with the desktop. Done. What is that? Is image, title and description. Title will be 25 characters. Description will be 75 characters. Now Ad type, please write down square, horizontal, long. So here I'm searching for three options: square, horizontal, and long. I show example here. If any ad you can show in LinkedIn, what the option call is promoted. If you click, they go to where? My website. Nothing but is a text ad along with the image. See here. Image along with the text and description. Now click for what is that? Save. Done. If you're creating for another ad, where? Create for another ad. Now I can show only for one ad. Now click for next. Very, very important for the audience selection. Please write down audience selection based on job or skills or experience, company, age, gender, groups, LinkedIn groups, job title, job function, job seniority, and etc. So your audience expression will be enabled. The audience will be called 0 here. Now you can select option is what is that? The audience below. Now what is that? Location. Now select it. Hyderabad. Now what is that? There are two places. Hyderabad will be Pakistan or Hyderabad. I'm setting always Hyderabad, Telangana, India here. Now see this. What is the estimated traffic here? 22 lakhs plus. Now what is the one? Company name. What is that? Company industry, company size, job title, job function. I'm promoting for what? Customer services. I'm setting for gender, all. Now, member age. See, what the age will be? 25 to 34, 35 to 54. See this audience. Previous, more than 25 lakhs. Now will be 6 lakhs, 40,000 plus. So based on your category selection, your answer will be decrease. Suppose I remove this one. Now what is that? 22 lakhs. Now select. 6,70,000. Based on the category wise, select the option. Your traffic will be decrease. Now, what is that? Year of experience. I'm not promoting the training. I'm not promoting the job. So I'm promoting only for services. I'm not looking for these options. It's clear? Based on your ad category, select your audience or companies. Job, company name required, industry required, company size required, job title, job functions are required. Now, just what is that? Click for next. Now, please write down bit type, CPC and CPM, cost per click, cost per impression. If you see ad, that is called impression. Now here, I'm open the LinkedIn. I see my ad. Any charge will be done? No. When you click, they will be charge will be done. Suppose my ad will be CPM. If I'm see this ad, they will be charged. Why? I'm calling the ad then. What is called? This will call impression. But I'm looking for what is that? CPC. When click the ad, they debit the my amount. Debit the amount. Now here. What my daily budget is? What the minimum starting budget is? 500. Please write down. AdWords or LinkedIn, both are same. The default budget is 500. Please look the screen. Bid pricing. Each click, the default price will be starting with 85 rupees per click. Bidding price per click, how much charge? Starting with 85 rupees. What is our average bidding? 131 to 106. Suppose I'm setting for here. What happened? Starting budget is 85 rupees. I'm setting for 110 rupees. Each click 110. So they will be expansive. Compare with AdWords and Facebook, LinkedIn will be expansive. Now here. Schedule date. Start date or schedule date. Will be start immediately. Is it clear? Click for next. So yeah. Add your bank details using your coupon code. Review your order. They take for review for 1 hour. The ad will activate within an hour. It's clear. This is create the ad using with the LinkedIn ads. Now we will check your ad will active or not. Just see here. Go to back, manage, access. Now what is it? Is active or not? Active. When adding payment, the process will be starting. What is that? Performance, active, audience and bid and budget price. This is clear. Now, one click. What is that? Pause. If you are putting for pause for an ad, the option call is pause. If you click the edit, the option call is edit here. Is it clear? This is you are making ad using with the LinkedIn ads. The option call is advertisements. So here, if you create a number of campaigns, the option call is create a campaign. Ad account is common. Campaigns will be changed. Campaign will be 3 types: sponsor content, text ad, and in-mail ads.